what are going to be the maintenance costs, the spare parts cost in a given year. Number of hours used is really what it comes down to. So for example, we're standing here on the east coast of the United States, the particular beach that we are on, they will use the beach cleaner for about 5 months out of the year. They will run the beach cleaner 10 hours a day, 7 days a week, 5 months out of the year. We have other clients maybe in a place like Florida where they will run the beach every day, but they're only running it for about 3 hours. So just like a car, if somebody said, what are the maintenance costs going to be on a car? I would have to ask you, how many miles are you going to drive a year? Who's driving the car? And what kind of maintenance are you doing? So not to skirt the question, I would say the average customer that is using the beach cleaner approximately 1,500 hours a year is probably going to incur about $3,000 in spare parts costs on the flagship model, the 600 HD.